PC controls for Blox Fruits. The first thing you want to do is pull up your Roblox application and then log into your account. Once you log in, you just have to run the game, type in Blox Fruits, and then click play to run the game. Now, once the game is fully loaded, your movement is gonna be WASD. Now to jump, just simply press space, and then to double jump, then press space twice. Now to dash, press on Q. And then for your special skills, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth, depending on how many accessories or how many weapons you have. For example, on weapon 1. Now to activate it, just simply it's either Z, X, or C. So let's try Z, and then let's try X. Then I don't have available C yet. So if you go back, just simply press 1. And then to punch, just click on the first or the left button on your mouse. And then to move around the camera, just press and hold the left click, and then you can go ahead and choose any movement you want. So those are the basic controls of Blox Fruits PC.